Hi everybody, I've got another challenge locking the device tonight. This is PB9, put together by Pickbeard. No key for it, it wasn't supplied with a key. I don't know if it ever had one or if it's got lost in the sands of time. Right, so let's just put the pick in. Just give that a little rock, that's going to give us a head start sometimes. Okay, let's set pin 1. Feels like a spool, as does pin 2. Okay, let's just go to the back now. Sort of click from pin 5. So pin 4 has dropped some stuff. Pin 3, just set. Just check pin 1 and 2 again. So pin 1. It's okay. Pin 2 is okay. Not sure what's going on with the back pin. Okay, there we are. It's opened on pin 4. Oops. Here you can see the core slipped out there. I've already taken the circlip off. So what I'm going to do is just gut this now, and I'll leave you with a picture of the pins. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.